On February 8, 2025, a quiet afternoon at a Rice Lake McDonald's turned into a high-stakes confrontation when officers mistook a customer named Adon for an FBI most wanted fugitive.
Hello. Hi, we got called here to talk to you.
Oh,
What's your name?
what do you need my name?
I'm just asking.
I'm alright, thank you.
Okay. Are you from Rice Lake?
Don't worry about it, you can leave.
Some people were worried about you. They wanted to make sure you were okay.
That I'm okay, I'm a paying customer.
Yeah. Yeah, people are just called worried about you.
For what, sitting down?
No, I think they saw all your stuff and were worried making sure you're okay.
I'm fine.
Okay.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Just checking some stuff out.
In front of me?
Yeah. Standing right here checking some stuff out.
You're kind of disturbing my peace.
Okay. Okay, you got any ID on you?
4?
So I can see who you are. And if you're not the person we're looking for, then we'll get out of here.
At this point, you're gonna have to send another cruiser, so that way they can confirm my identity. Because of the way that you're treating me, I don't want to confirm my identity with you.
Okay.
Because see, I already told you I'm a paying customer. So like, why are you coming to me disturbing the peace? Because you're the one breaking the law right now, not me. Are you trying to ask me if I'm wanted? Are you confirming that I'm wanted?
I guess so.
So this is what, your public service? When I told you that I'm a paying customer?
Yeah. Are you Alejandro?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, well that's what we're here to figure out. Okay, do you have a beard?
Show me the picture again. So
I'm not going to show it to you again.
Because clearly that's an adolescent. That's not an adult. You can tell by the picture.
Okay, what's your birthday then?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, how am I supposed to confirm this isn't you?
Yeah.
I already told you. No. Go ahead and call somebody else because I'm not going to confirm my identity with any of them.
Okay, so someone else shows up and then you'll confirm your identity.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, that way I can get your name and your name for
Okay.
harassment.
My name is Peyton Overleen.
Okay, then give me your card.
I don't have a card on me.
So, unprofessional. So this screams that I'm wanted.
No, I guess it wouldn't be the homelessness or that you have a lot of gear.
So you're implying. So what are you implying? Like really? Like is it the fact that I'm homeless?
That your description matches someone
or that
that's
you want me
wanted.
to leave town?
No, not that I want you to
All
leave
right,
town.
then, well, I already said, man. You're already disturbing my peace.
Okay.
So get out of here.
What law am I breaking?
Disturbing me and disturbing the public.
Okay. Well, if we get called here because someone believes that you're a wanted person, and we're coming here to confirm that, and you match the picture of a wanted person.
Okay, then show me the picture. So it's under what? So it's
I go-
your property?
Huh?
It's considered your property?
What is?
Because I was gonna point out the facial features. Clearly, that's not me. Your card?
My card's in my office.
Okay, then you can go ahead and get that.
Here you go. Here's another person. Don't reach for nothing. We're reaching for stuff.
I'm trying to put everything away so I can go outside.
No, you're not going outside right now.
We even have a captain here.
All right, there you go. So harassment, all right, that's one. They're telling me that I'm wanted, and they're trying to confirm some wanted identity. Yep. So I asked them for the picture, and he doesn't want to give it to me.
I showed it to you. I'm not giving you the piece of paper.
He has it on him right now.
Once we determine who you are, then it's fine. So
We didn't say you were
Okay,
one. We
then
just said
you
you had
push.
matched the description.
You go that way, and I'll talk to him.
no, they're gonna stay with you.
They're gonna stay with you. Okay, then at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and leave and get out of this town because I'm being harassed.
We're gonna identify you, and if you're not the person that's on there, then you're gonna be free to leave.
Okay, but until we
Okay, then give me your card and your card. Now, I was here as a paid customer,
Okay.
so therefore I can stand this higher ground.
Not necessarily. Okay.
Also,
There's no reason to believe you're a wanted
because I'm
suspect.
homeless.
Show them your ID, or we'll take you over to the jail and make an ID there when they run your.
I don't
test.
have an ID.
Then I guess we don't have a lot of options. Do we?
What's your name?
So arrested for what? Having no ID?
What's your name?
We are gonna detain you until
For?
we can determine who you are.
So you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms?
I'm saying that we're gonna identify
No,
you.
you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms.
We're gonna identify you.
So my baggage details my status.
Do you have your ID with you? Or
I already told you no.
you can give them your name and stuff.
No, I'm alright. Go ahead and detain me.
Oh, no, that takes time.
No. He's going for my gun. He's got my gun.
He's got your gun. He's reaching for it. He's reaching for your gun. You let go. You let go.
The tension exploded into a life-or-death struggle when Adon reached for an officer's service weapon, leading to a violent scuffle and multiple taser deployments before he was finally subdued.
Good.
Search him.
Everyone good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Search me.
On your side. Say just like that.
Put your arms behind your back or you're going to get it again.
Put your arms behind your back.
Other arm.
Give us your other arm or I'm gonna hit you again with the taser.
I don't know, clavicle.
Give us your other arm.
I already told you I have a broken glass.
Is he giving it to you?
I got it.
I got cuffs.
Quit. Knock it off. Quit.
Look at me, I want to remember a face.
Okay, remembered it.
I will smite you.
Oh, super glued.
No, it's sealed by my almighty father himself.
Sit them up. Bring your legs out this way.
Swing your legs out.
Roll to your other side a little bit.
Look at it, what does it say?
Can't read it.
Guess you can't read, huh?
No, that's why you became a cop. You got me.
Trampling on other people's rights.
He's got something down here too, man.
I'm gonna search the rest of his ankles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get a raspberry. Yeah, just a little mark.
My name's Seth. I'm just gonna check out the barbs in your chest, okay?
Yeah, that's the bill of the hat.
You gotta check his other leg.
Another hat.
Don't worry about it.
Alright, sounds good.
Peyton, are you good taking him? Or you want me to pull up a squad?
If you wanna pull yours up, that's fine.
Yo, get away from me.
Not gonna happen, dude. I don't listen to you.
Yeah, no don't listen to me.
Right.
I did not force her to leave. They were going to.
Alright, lean back for me.
Can't.
The date was February 8th, 2025, and at 10:15 a.m., a quiet afternoon at a Rice Lake McDonald's turned into a high-stakes police confrontation. Officers arrived after receiving a tip that a customer, Adon, bore a striking resemblance to an FBI most wanted fugitive sought for murder. The encounter quickly soured when Adon repeatedly refused to provide identification, claiming he was being harassed while simply trying to eat. Even after being shown a photo of the wanted killer, Adon remained defiant. The tension exploded into violence when Adon reached for an officer's service weapon during a struggle, leading to him being tased multiple times before being subdued. In a twist of fate, it was later confirmed Adon was not the fugitive, but his actions led to serious consequences regardless. He was found guilty of attempting to disarm a peace officer and resisting arrest, earning a 170-day jail sentence. It's a chilling reminder of how quickly a case of mistaken identity can turn into a criminal reality. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.